Hey folks, me again, Kent, KJS Painting and Renovations, and here's a quick tip on putting in these security grab bars for the bathroom. So we got a bathroom here that's got plaster, right? Plaster's a lot like concrete or tile, right? So here's a good trick. So if you're going into plaster, right, use one of these two flute bits that's meant for tile and glass instead of using a regular drill bit, and you get a really nice clean hole, right? It's like one of these bits. And then I'm just using these plastic inserts, and these are good for plaster and drywall. And that's basically it. And that's a good trick too. I do this to collect the dust. That's why homeowners like me. I don't leave a mess. Just look how nice this works. I center punched that a little bit. Make sure to go nice and slow, folks. The plumbing's here, so we're kind of far enough on either side of it. I just use one of these, right? One of these. It says in the box, use a 1/4-inch drill. Just gonna get that, right? Sort of tap that. That's good. The bars come with these screws, which are a little bit long, right? But already verified that. Here we go, pro tip. Make sure to cover the drain when you drop something and put down a tarp, that's handy. Okay, so let's just check now, make sure these are gonna line up. Oh, that's good. And that's good. You see I got my clear silicone and my level, so that's how we did those marks first. I like to use one of these extenders, right? So you can kind of get past this part of the bar. Just kind of go for it. See, when you get down to about there, there's a little bit of room back here. That's when I like to come in and add just a little bit of the clear silicone. That was my bad letting it slip twice. But then just get them all in and put a little silicone back there. This last part, it's best to do this by hand, right? I kind of get them socked down. You can see some of the silicone coming out on that one. So hands tighten, not too tight. When you're happy with how snug the screws are, I like to give the bar a good tug, right? And then hit them one more time. I'm putting almost my full body weight on this thing. Go one more time. That's tight. Okay, I went and I put some silicone around the perimeter of these screws just so no water gets inside the wall. I guess we can see how we did. Let's see, how does that look? Can we see it? Damn. Where is it? I think we did pretty well. And I put all my weight on that thing, and I really, you can honk on that thing with the screwdriver. So let's see. There we go. And these go on, they just go and get like, turn them clockwise. And then they lock into place. And yeah, there we go. That's it. We got one more to do over here. I'll use a magnet. That's another trick to locate where the stud is. But I know somebody's going to say, hey, Kent, you're supposed to go into the stud and all that. But this works for me. This is how I do it. And when I can't find a stud, of course, I go into it. Maybe we'll get lucky over here. I guess one thing I should say is that these are supposed to be from the floor, which I guess is the tub, is between 34 and 36 inches to meet the ADA guidelines. So it's kind of good to try to put them where they're supposed to be. Well, this has been Kent at KJS Painting and Renovations, and this is how I put in a security grab bar into plaster. Hope it was helpful. Hope you got something out of it. And, please like and subscribe to the videos and join me. Oh, and look at this. You could join John and Paul, like we're doing today. And don't tell me that it's not a hot day, because it is hot in here. And thank you guys for your support in making my videos and my channel so hot.
Ain't no more money when you're dead.